Hey guys, Tyler here from Legit Automotive. Today we're working on another Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi. We're just going to do a basic oil change. Obviously we're working on a hoist here, but you can definitely do this job on jack stands in your own driveway if you'd like as well. Some of the tools we're going to need for this is a 13mm wrench, 13mm socket. We use this to undo the drain plug there, just a little magnet to make it easier, an oil filter wrench, oil filter, a funnel, some rags. We use a 1/2-inch bar to get the drain plug loosened on this. It makes it a little bit easier on the Dodges, and then obviously your oil. This particular truck is 5W20 synthetic. So one of the first steps you're going to take is you got to undo the oil cap. So your first step is locate the oil pan. It's this black unit here with the 13mm drain plug on it. It's right above this cross member. Obviously make sure you don't confuse it with your transmission pan or your differential. So we're going to go ahead, first step is to crack that drain plug. We're using the 1/2-inch bar 13mm socket. We like to start with that just so you're not putting too much torque on that drain plug. And there she comes nicely loose. So once the oil's drained out, you want to clean off your drain plug. Make sure you didn't lose your drain plug gasket on it. And then you just want to screw it in by hand to start. And then I like to just take a little bit of brake clean and parts cleaner. Just give it a little spray to get some of that excess oil off. So once that's finger tight back in there, you just want to get your 13mm wrench on it and just snug it up a bit. Alright, so your oil filter on these, this is the passenger side front. Here's your frame. Your oil filter is located right above it. You'll see it right when you get up there. It is a hard one to get at, but it's located right on top of that frame. So now you're going to grab your oil filter wrench here, or pliers. You want to reach up inside, grab onto it, and start loosening it off. And then just let it drain out a bit. Alright, so now that the oil filter is drained of oil, you want to reach up in there, do the rest by hand until it comes off. And then you just want to walk it on out. So now you got your new oil filter to go on. So you want to grab some of your old oil out of your tray, use your finger, and you just want to get it all over that oil filter seal, just so it's a lot easier to come off next time. And now it's ready to go on. And you just want to tighten it nice and snug by hand. You don't want to use any tools to tighten it up. Alright, so another step you want to take when you got your new oil filter in, where the oil filter is located on these Hemis, they're in a really bad spot where a lot of oil gets caught on this frame here. So you want to get in there with some brake clean and clean it off so it doesn't spill all over your driveway. So next we're going to put a funnel in to make the fill job a lot easier. You can use most kinds of funnels. We like the ones that screw right in where your oil cap goes. Alright, so we have our oil measured out here. Now in this truck we are putting an anti-friction additive in there, so that's why it looks a little dark in there as well. Alright, so now that you've filled that up, we like to leave the funnel in, just cover it with a rag. And then we like to start the truck, let the oil get cycled through for about 10 seconds. Alright, so after you've ran the engine for a few seconds to cycle the oil, you want to check your oil level to see if it's good. It's this yellow guy down here. You just want to grab it, pull it out, give it a quick clean off first before even checking it, put it back right in. And then check the proper level. So now you just want to put your oil cap back in. Alright, so now if your truck is equipped with an oil life monitor, your next step would be reset it. You just want to put your key to the on position without starting the truck. Once the screen's loaded, you want to use your steering wheel audio controls to go through your truck settings until you find your oil life. Then you just want to hold down on the forward button here, this guy, hold it down, then a message will pop up to say confirm reset. You just want to go down to OK, and then forward again, and then that resets to 100%. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let us know down below in the comment section maybe on what you want to see us do next, whether it's a special make, model, type of repair, diagnostic, anything like that. Maybe we'll see in the comments and try and tackle it so it'll help you guys out in the future. Thanks a lot.